here I am again, OmaFarAway, and I'm not in New Zealand and I'm not in Australia, but I'm at home. And it's reasonably nice weather out there, and yesterday we went for a walk into town because I had to run a few chores, and it was a beautiful day, lots of sun. I got quite red, and it was in preparation for our next adventure, which I'm going to tell you about. So I had a wee practice with the GoPro. I know you probably think, what do you mean you haven't had time for it? But I haven't. I've had so much on, and you need to concentrate when you have something new, especially when you've got to find out about settings and what works for you. So this is my little first bit with the GoPro. So this is the city I live in, Dordrecht, and I hope you enjoyed some of those views. And now I'm just going to have to tell you about where we're going next. Well, I just hope you like what we've got in store for ourselves, but also for you. So have a look. So those are our plans. Now, we've got a whole list of places that we'd like to visit and things to do. So we'll just play it by ear. At some places we have more time than others, but we will just we will just do what we can, see what we can, and if we haven't seen enough, we'll just come back. Of course we will. And will we take those little fellas? Well, why not? So now's a good time to subscribe and hit that bell. And we'll see you once we have passed 4 borders. Bye for now.